So I don't know if you guys noticed, but that's a lot of grass and dirt underneath this car. Yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, after that, came in, I tried to push it by myself. It was not budging. So it was a good thing that I have one of my neighbors. Shout out to my neighbor. Yeah, he helped me out to push the car back into my garage. It was, I wished I filmed it, but I didn't. Now finally we're in the garage, and let me do a quick walkthrough and show you what we have. Okay, so first things first, you guys can see the damage. It's a front damage. Yeah, seems like, you know, I hit a stop sign. Stop sign. Basically, the biggest damage is right here in the front, and I don't know how I have a damage on the bottom as well. So yeah, and then I have some aftermarket stuff here, like this wire right here. This, I think it's the aftermarket stuff that I'm telling you about. Like for example, this guy right there, this front sensor, parking sensor or whatever you call that, that's not an OEM sensor. So yeah, over here for some reason when they remove the light, look at the wire, so that needs to be fixed. I have a good horn, yay. Oh, and one more thing. So this is actually 2011 BMW 335i. So of my so 335i, but not just a regular 335i. This is a 335 convertible hardtop. So this is one of the unicorns, basically, you know, from convertible ones. Because usually a convertible one, you know, it's a soft top. This one is a hard top. So this is really, really unicorn. Parts for it, I don't want to even talk about it. We'll get there. So let me tell you my experience with Copart. So Copart, you know, it was listed as a non-running, no mileage, nothing. It says that there is a key on it, but when I check the pictures and everything, I only see the metal key. So let me show you what I mean. So basically, you know, this key fob, and the only key that it was on this car, it was just this little guy, the emergency key. Which in a way, this, I think it's better instead of having this but not having this guy right here. Because now I can, you know, I can make a copy of this because I already have the key. But if I have the key fob but I don't have this key, then I have to go through BMW dealership, and that's not fun. Let me tell you that. I called him out and I asked him, you know, how much is the price for the key and all of that. And the entire deal is you have to bring the vehicle, show them, proof of ownership and this and that, blah blah blah. But then you have to leave the car there. I don't know why, but you have to leave the car there, and then the next day the key is gonna show up, and he's hoping the next day he's gonna get, you know, everything done and ready. So yeah, I didn't want to go through that. And as soon as when I got the car, last night I went on Facebook, started looking, you know, key programming, key fobs, blah blah blah. Found this guy. I texted him. He said he can come in, you know, 9 o'clock. Let's do it. He came in. 30 minutes later, he gave me this Chinese key. The price for this guy was $225. Maybe I overpaid, but honestly I was just excited just to get it, just so I can actually see how much mileage in it, see where we're at. Which reminds me, let me show you the mileage, which is, I think it's pretty good. I don't know what you guys think. Boom! What do you guys think? Yeah guys, what do you guys think? 84,000 miles? I think this is pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, what else? We have this airbag here, blown. Yay! Which you wanna fix it for sure. We have some glasses. Hey, Ray-Ban glasses. Yeah, buddy. I still cannot get the hardtop to roll down. Have to figure that out. Oh, the engine. I don't know if the engine is gonna start. I am crossing my fingers, or else it's not gonna be fun. And my wife is gonna kill me. You know how it is with the wives. Oh yeah, for some reason I'm missing the rear armrest. That's kind of weird to, you know, something to miss, but it's gone. At least I have all of the parts for the rooftop. Those are extremely expensive. Yeah, coming in the back, you guys can see these guys right here. I don't know why they put this shit, but this is super dirt cheap and it's not good. It's, yeah, it is definitely not good. So the trunk, I already have the battery right there. I already have it on a triple charger, and that one, it says that the battery is bad, which that's not good, but yeah, we'll see. I don't know if it's the charger wrong or maybe it is right, and yep. Yeah, everything else, you know, I have a headlight, which this is super good. Super good. Like I said, I don't know why they cut the cables. Maybe because it was dingling, and to protect it, instead of unplugging it, they cut it. So we've got that going on in the back. Yeah, let me see what else. We have a front bumper that I'm not thinking to fix it. This guy right there. Yep, and it came with the fog lights as well, which probably I'm not gonna use. We'll see. Ooh, that's something important. That's my front under shield. I believe that's the name of it. Yeah, it goes right here. And on this side, I'm missing this guy. I think should be another one over here. I hope underneath this hood there is a good engine, and I hope it's a N54 engine and not N55. It both ways, it will work. I don't, you know, I'm just hoping it's gonna be N54. Like I keep saying in my video, I am pretty dumb because I'm doing stuff that I don't really know about them, but I'm doing it just to show you guys, because a lot of people is like, oh, I can't do this, can't do that. Well, let me show you that the only thing that's stopping you, it's you and nobody else. So if someone is telling you that you cannot fix this car, let me prove you wrong, because I'm gonna fix this car right here. I never done that before, so it's gonna be pretty fun experience. So if you like videos like this, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and the most important thing, guys, I can do it, you guys can do it. I'll see you on the next one.